What's up, you guys? It's Jonathan the Trading Chemist back with another video. So currently we are in a a trade on gold, and just to let y'all know before I end up letting you know the reason why I got into this one, we did take one loss. I think we lost what, like maybe $70. But currently we got 5 contracts on this position here, and we're looking at making a 1 to 3. So what I end up seeing, and you can pretty much see everything from the 1 minute chart. I saw break a structure right here. So this huge impulse right here, it then pulled back to this demand level right here. So I, regardless of where I got in it, I did miss this one, the 9 p.m. Initial entry, but price broke. I thought it was actually going to end up giving you like a double top or whatever down here, but it ended up pushing back a little bit more, retesting, hitting this 61.8 fib, and now it's pretty much just taking off. So I'm going to take it up to the high right here, and then I'll be out. So currently we're floating $120 right now. So hopefully today will just be a beautiful in and out day, right? So it's not too much on the day. 1 second, my fault, y'all. So on the 15 minute, let's see what's going on. So I instantly knew when I got to the market, like once it broke this structure and I saw this high right here, I was like, oh, we going up. And we honestly could probably take it all the way to here. Um, but I'm just looking at it based off of this fib area right here, right? And I may be a little bit further than that, right? So that's the reason why I'm actually going with this high. I know I should at least see it get to there, based off of it being a higher time frame trade. This is probably more of a 5 minute on the 5 minute. Yeah, exactly. So just taking that, letting this do its thing, and I'm gonna take that 1 to 3 and go about my day, right? But currently we got some rejection, but I'm not tripping because we did already break this high right here. So we're still looking good overall. It's just doing some minor pullbacks. But one thing I did notice, man, because I was going to put my stop loss to break even, but you can't put your stop loss to break even too much on this lower time frame. So I learned earlier this week when I messed up that beautiful trade, because I was trying to pull my stop loss so quickly. Because I usually like to bring my stop loss to break even once it breaks structure, but it pulls back so much on the 1 minute, you can't really do that. You kind of just gotta let it ride out for the most part until it gets away from you, right? So that's my thing. I gotta figure out a better way to manage it. So what I'm thinking about doing, man, is either like managing the trade to where it's just like, all right, I gradually go out, or just do a one and done, right? Just kind of just completely trade binary for the most part. I take my trade, either I win or I lose, but I go about my day, right? So I don't know. I'm in between trying to figure out if I want to do that or not, but uh, because I hate. I mean, I say I hate. I don't like really getting stopped out when before the move even starts, right? And I've noticed since trading the lower time frame, you kind of just, once you get in, you gotta let it just do its thing, right? So, and I'm not big on just being like right up behind the candle and whatnot. It can easily come back just like it did right there and stop you out. So I don't know, but we're just gonna see how things play out. I'm gonna let it do its thing right now, and I'll get back with you guys in just a moment. All right, things just got crazy, right? So I ended up what ended up happening? I took one contract off up here, right? I'm letting it play out because I'm like, all right, I know like price has to go up, but I was currently at my stop loss was at break even, And it's just crazy how things work sometimes, right? And I'm just gonna let this play out because whatever happens, happens with this, right? But I accidentally, because I was gonna take off for another contract when price was right here, right? I accidentally bought a contract, right? So right when it bought a contract, it shifted my stop loss down a little bit, right? So let me show y'all. So it shifted my stop loss down because it wasn't break even, right? So it shifted it down to, I wish, come on, bro. Like, so it shifted it down to this area here. You can see where my mouse is at. I'm not sure why it's not following it. But it shifted it down to right here, and that was right before price just dropped. Crazy. When I say it was like one tick away from stopping me out, it was one tick away from stopping me out, right? So there's a couple of things that I could have done better than taking this this crazy roller coaster. So I could have just followed my current fib on this smaller structure level, right? And let me take off a contract here and let it play out. I'm gonna put this in the break even now. So we back break even again. I'm just gonna let it roll. I just took one contract off. I'm gonna let it roll. I'm still debating, man. Like, cause this makes me want to like just trade like really binary, right? And I need to do. I'm gonna do some more back testing to confirm my answer or what I want to do. But uh, this makes me really want to just what's going on, bro? All right, all right, cool. I think I'm getting my answer right now. so so I think I'm getting my answer right now. I'm definitely about to just treat this binary. Um, get the risk reward that I want, but I'll just take on the risk because as soon as I just put my stop loss in the break even, this counter right here was attacking. So it is what it is. Cool. And I bet money to hit my TP just off of this candle. But yeah. So this is a little bit of a wild day, which is great. Now I just need price to just shoot up and go ahead and hit my TP since you did all this fluctuation. And that's all within one candle on the 15 minute. So yeah, it need to go ahead and do what it needs to do. I don't like when price plays around at this area too much because it always ends up rejecting. So if it doesn't break this level right here, I'm gonna close out. Think I'm, but I hate playing like that though. Let's see what this next candle does. All right, we are out. It was a small win today, but I don't like when price will play around at this area. I took a trade last week and it killed me. Like, so it was hovering around in this area and then just tanked, right? And granted, this could go pretty much go up to here, so I'm probably just being a little pussy at this point. But I mean, it is what it is. Um, so yeah, I just don't like when price plays around like that, man. It makes me think it's gonna end up going in the other direction. Even though there's been no indication in that, but all right, I'm rambling now. So look, it didn't broke that, kind of broke the level. It's getting that little push that it was supposed to give. So yeah, I should have held on a little bit longer, but it is what it is. I won't make that mistake again. I just let it play out. But what I'm gonna do, since this is my last trading day, um, I am gonna just start playing the binary route. So what I could have done, which would have been a much safer play, is actually get out altogether at this level, right? So this would have I should have played everything by this fib right here instead of just trying to go big right here. And it's cool because I clearly could have been out, right? And that would have been a what on the day? Let's see. That's probably not even a 1 or 2 really. I would have been right at a 1 or 2, and I would have been done, and I would have had all made my full amount. All right, so you live and you learn. It's all good. But yeah, I am definitely about to play the binary route instead of touching my trades and just see what the real risk or reward of what I'm doing looks like. Ooh, it's going up too. I just couldn't hold on. I don't like how it's fluctuating like that. I like my trades to go right to where they need to go, and I'm out. Um, but yeah, so I I do have on this count. I'm probably well next week is gonna be a whole different thing, right? I'm thinking about next week just changing my series and everything in terms of just how I want to record and whatnot. But what else? But I'm definitely gonna reset my account next week because I think they're charging me Monday or something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna reset my account and I know how I want to go about doing things. I'm not make sure I just back test this weekend, kind of flush out exactly how I want to play all of this, and we can get in go mode and end up hitting my overall. It's gonna end up hitting my overall TP. Um, I just couldn't sustain that pullback that I was in. So yeah, I mean it is what it is. But that's all I got today, you all. I'm pretty much I've been rambling for a little minute now. My fault. But it is what it is. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.